Welcome back to our channel, Insurance Explained. Today's video is all about filing a home insurance claim. We understand that dealing with unexpected events, such as property damage or loss, can be overwhelming. That's why we have created this step-by-step guide to help you confidently navigate the home insurance claim process. By the end of this video, you'll have all the necessary information to tackle your claim and secure the coverage you need. So, let's get started. Before we move on to the steps of filing a home insurance claim, let's quickly outline what a home insurance claim is. When you purchase a home insurance policy, you're essentially buying financial protection in the event of unexpected damage or loss to your property. A home insurance claim is a request you make to your insurance company to receive compensation for these covered events. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of filing a home insurance claim. Step 1. Evaluate the situation. The first step in filing a home insurance claim is to evaluate the situation. Whether it's damage from a storm, fire, or burglary, it's crucial to assess the extent of the loss or damage. Take photographs or videos of the affected areas, noting any details that can support your claim. Remember to prioritize your safety. If the damage is severe or poses a threat, contact the appropriate emergency services before proceeding. Step 2. Review your insurance policy. Once you have assessed the situation, review your home insurance policy. Familiarize yourself with the coverage limits, deductibles, and any specific requirements for filing a claim. This will give you a clear understanding of what you're entitled to and what steps you need to take. If you have any questions or need clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance agent or the company's customer service. Step 3. Notify your insurance company. After evaluating the situation and understanding your policy, it's time to notify your insurance company about the claim. Most insurers have a dedicated claims department that you can reach by phone, email, or online portal. Provide them with accurate information about the incident, damage, and any supporting documentation you have. Remember to provide all relevant details to ensure a smooth processing of your claim. Step 4. Document everything. To facilitate the claims process, document everything related to your claim. Keep records of your conversations with insurance representatives, copies of emails or letters, receipts for expenses incurred, and any other supporting evidence. This documentation will serve as proof of your claim and can expedite the process. Remember to keep the originals in a safe place and provide copies to your insurance company as needed. Step 5. Cooperate with insurance adjuster. Once your claim is submitted, an insurance adjuster will be assigned to assess the damage and determine the validity of your claim. Cooperate fully with the adjuster by providing them access to the property and any additional information they may require. Be prepared to answer questions regarding the incident and provide any necessary documentation. The adjuster's role is to ensure a fair evaluation of your claim, so working together will help expedite the process. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on filing a home insurance claim. By following these steps, you can streamline the process and increase your chances of a successful claim. Remember, understanding your policy, documenting everything, and cooperating with your insurance company are key to a smooth experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insurance-related content. Thanks for watching and take care.